Hi everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Studio. I hope you're doing well and your summer is coming to a glorious end and fall is around the corner. So I have a free digital download for you and the link will be down below. But now I so very much appreciate your um subscribing and you enjoying my videos and your comments and your likes. I just really appreciate that. And so I just want to kind of say thank you with free digitals occasionally. I have gotten some images from nature and I put like fall colored wallpaper to them. And we have an owl and a bird in flight and a bird on a branch and two butterflies and a rabbit. And these are all nice, brightly colored, ready for fall, ready for your fall projects. And I did want to go through a few ways to use these. And of course, this can apply to any kind of a image that you have. Now, when you print them out full, the images are going to be this large, but you can always reduce them to make them smaller. So I'll show you what I've done with both ways of printing the images. One idea, and of course there's going to be many more, but I'm just trying to get you inspired to start considering. You can just glue, say we'll just glue like this little part here of the card image, and we can use it as a tuck spot. And of course these have all been printed out on cardstock. That probably would work the best for most of these ideas. And it could be a tuck spot. You could also either glue or clip them into the edge of the page so that little bits and pieces of it will kind of stick out from your project. So you have a little bit outside the page. And if you clip them in with a paper clip, of course, you can then journal on the other side and clip it back on in just like this. Or you can just glue it on here and you can make a upward tuck spot if you wanted to. So there's an idea. Another idea that I really thought was really cute. You wanted to take a page that was kind of plain looking. You can, well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this paper here since I don't know what I'll do with that. So you have a page, a blank page. You can go in and make this a rather interactive little idea here. So I'm just poking a hole in there and I'm going to put a brad through that hole, and the hole wasn't big enough. Let me go in again. There we go. And we'll put in this little brad. And now you have a little piece that can go up and down and be kind of interactive, which is kind of just makes it kind of lift off the page a little bit. You can write something underneath there and hide it with that or whatever. That's kind of a fun idea. I've seen that done. And then of course you can reduce this. I have a printer that prints for photo paper, so therefore my half sheet is a 5x7 printout. You might have a different way to reduce your prints, but when I do it that way, I'm looking here, they're just a little bit, they're smaller, of course, and then they will fit really nice onto a tag. So you have a tag with just a neutral background. You can glue that on as a piece of your ephemera. And you can also, if you do have a page that is rather plain, you can just glue this on just to spice up that page a little bit or put it on a pocket. So those are just ideas of how you can use this printout. I hope you'll try at least one of them, and you probably will come up with even more uses. So enjoy, and we will talk to you again real soon. Bye.